This is Sri Varalakshmi Madhuri. Welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to learn all important integrals that is based on the MSET, especially both TS and AP, and including the most important PYQs that there in the JEE mains. It is the what is the speciality in this one is you are going to learn the more important concept with the relevant tricks also. And if you want to follow my previous video, integration part 1 and integration part 2, integration part 3 are there. Those are most important expected JEE main problems were given. Let's start our topic. The first problem is integration of cube root of x into 7th root of 1 plus cube root of x power 4 dx is given. Problem seems to be difficult, but if you understand, it's very easiest problem. Observe that this 1 plus cube root of x power 4 substitute as some t, then 1 plus, let me express this cube root of x power 4 is x power 4 by 3, which is equal to t. Let's differentiate both sides. Differentiation of 1 is 0. X power 4 by 3, you know that 4 by 3 into x power 4 by 3 minus 1 dx is equal to dt. 4 by 3 x power 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3 dx is equal to dt. Clearly x power 1 by 3 dx equal to 3 dt by 4. This can be expressed as a cube root of x dx equal to 3 dt by 4. Now this one and this dx together taken as 3 dt by 4 into, can we take this as a t, then clearly it is t power 1 by 7. So if you have observed that 3 by 4 t power 1 by 7 dt. Just recall the integration of x power n dx, which is the x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then 3 by 4 t power 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1. 3 by 4 into 1 by 7 plus 1 can be written as 8 by 7, nothing but it is 7 by 8. T power, it is 8 by 7. 21 by 32. T means you know that 1 plus cube root of x power 4 whole power 8 by 7 will be the required answer. Very simple, and these all are the important expected MSET problems for this year 2020. Let's move to the next problem. It is the next most important problem for this MSET, either AP or TS. dx, integration of dx by x into x power n plus 1. Let me take it is 1 dx x into x power 1 x into x power n plus 1. Now to make into the desired form, let me add x power n and subtract x power n. Then x into x power n plus 1. Then 1 plus x power n is a group. Split it. Minus x power n by x into x power n plus 1. Getting cancelled. 1 by x dx minus this x and x power n, if you are cancelled, can you write it is x power n minus 1 into dx by x power n plus 1? Yes, obviously. Let us assume that x power n plus 1, if you take n t, its differentiation is n into x power n minus 1 dx, where differentiation of 1 is 0 is equal to dt. X power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt by n. Integration of 1 by x dx is log x minus 1 by n into dt by t, log x minus 1 by n dt by t means 1 by n into log t plus c. Now let us simplify. Log x minus 1 by n into log of 1 plus x power n, where t has x power n plus 1. So still for simplification, let me take out 1 by n is common, then n log x minus log of 1 plus x power n will be left over. We all know that m log a can be expressed as log a power m. Then 1 by n into log x power n minus log of 1 plus x power n. Then 1 by n into log of x power n by 1 plus x power n plus c, because here it is log a minus log b. We know that log a minus log b is log a by b. Important MCET kind as well as even for the other competitive examination also. Let's move to the next problem. Now see here, we have seen the integrations of 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 cos x, like this problem in our textbook. Maybe they have given like this problems for the MCET or maybe any kind of competitive examination, taking our usual method. Numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator takes much time. That is why just learn a simple trick to learn it. First of all, trick is a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x. Make sure that your whatever is in the form of function cos x sin x, which is in p by q form, must be arranged in this way. Later identify a b c d and write that bc minus ad by c square plus d square log of denominator. Denominator means what is that? C sin x plus d cos x plus AC plus BD, AC plus BD by C square plus D square into X plus C. This is the trick. Now let us apply the same thing to here. But before applying that, just observe that is it in the required general form? No. So what I am going to do is I am converting in that way. Minus sin x plus 9 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. Now identify what are A, B, C, D's. A minus 1, B is 9, C is 4 and D is 5. What I said? BC minus AD. So 9 fours 36 minus 1 into minus 5. Nothing but it is minus 5 by C square plus D square. Here A, B, C and D. C square plus D square means 4 square plus 5 square into log of, what is the denominator? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus AC plus BD. AC minus 4 BD plus 45 by C square plus D square, again that means 4 square plus 5 square x plus c. Simplify 41 by 41 log of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus 41 by 41 16 plus 25 41 x plus c. So log of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus x plus c. See how simply we got the answer. The same thing we are going to apply for this one. It is the important problem. Here first of all express tan as sin by cos. Find out simplification. Cos x plus sin x by cos x. Now let us reciprocal it. Cos x dx by cos x plus sin x. But it is not looking like a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x. Further, let me write here which is the missing in the numerator. Sin x is missing, so 0 sin x plus 1 cos x by cos x plus sin x. So better to write sin x plus cos x. Identify what is a, b, c, d. A is 0, b is 1, c is 1. So how I am identifying? I am taking the coefficients of these and d is the 1. Now observe the trick. What is that? BC minus AD. Reverse. BC 1 once 1 minus 0. So 1 by c square plus d square. 1 square plus 1 square. 1 by 2. Log of denominator. What is the denominator? Sin x plus cos x. Plus later AC plus BD. AC 0 into 1 0 plus B into D means it is 1 into 1 nothing but 1 by C square plus D square. Then in what way you can write it is C square plus D square value is 2 x plus C. In that way we can find out the answer very easily. Let's move to the next problem. Now see another important expected problem. E power 3 log x into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1 dx integration they are asking. Let's simplify. First of all, e power 3 log x can be written as e power log x cube. As we know that m log a can be written as log a power m. And moreover, e power log x always be x because e and log get cancelled. The same thing we will write here. E power log x cube into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1 dx. Getting cancelled x cube by it is a power minus 1. So let me write it as a denominator dx. As usual, by taking the denominator x power 4 plus 1 is equal to some t, you can write the differentiation as 4x cube dx is equal to dt. Clearly x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. Then dt by 4 into t. 1 by 4 log t plus c. Clearly 1 by 4 log of t means what? X power 4 plus 1 plus c. Hence we got the required answer. Let's move to the next problem. Now look at the next problem. E power log x plus sin x into cos x is given to you. So clearly, as we discussed earlier, e power log x can be written as it is x plus sin x into cos x dx. We know that x plus sin x can be written as x cos x plus sin x into cos x. We all know that there is no integration for the UV like differentiation. We have to use the integration by parts formula by remembering the order of the functions by selecting with the help of I-late. You know very well about I means inverse and variable means logarithm, and A means arithmetic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential function. Afterwards, you have to take the which one is the first function U and next function is V. In this order, X is come under arithmetic, cos X come under as a trigonometric. So, X is U and cos X is V. Now, integration by parts formula, integration UV dx equal to U into V dx minus integration of du by dx and integration V dx. So, use the formula now, X into cos X dx minus d by dx of, what is the first function here, x, integration cos x dx, plus we know that sin x cos x can be written as half into 2 into sin x cos x, x into integration of cos x, we know that it is sin x, minus dx and dx get cancelled, then integration of cos x, we know that it is sin x, plus half into, can we write 2 sin x cos x can be written as, obviously we can write it as sin 2x dx, x sin x minus sin x integration is minus cos x, so plus cos x plus 1 by 2 into integration of sin 2x will become minus cos 2x, and 2x integration is 2 by 2 we have to write plus c. So x sin x plus cos x minus cos 2x by 4 plus c is the required answer. Let us move to the next problem. Now look at the integration of x cos x log x minus sin x by x log x whole square. But if you observe all the options, it is all are the usually log x sin x log x minus sin x log x into sin. Then there is no chance to get in this way. So let's think that whether sin x by log x differentiation, are we getting this one or not? Because anti-derivation, we know that integration means anti-derivation, that's why let me find out the u by v for the sin x by log x. Let us take, this can be solved easily by the option verification, sin x by cos x. Let me go for the u by v. You know that u by v can be written as v du minus u dv by v square. Now log x into differentiation of the numerator u, which is sin x differentiation is cos x minus u means here anyhow sin x, v, what is the integration of v is log x we know that v means here dv means differentiation of the v means anyhow differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x by log x whole square. Now log x cos x minus sin x by x by log x whole square. By simplifying, x log x cos x minus sin x by x into log x whole square. So what we can write, d by dx of sin x by log x. So you can write sin x plus sin x by log x plus c will be the required answer. In that way also we can check the answer by the Option checking only. Let's move to the next problem. Now the integration of sin square x cos square x dx by sin power 5x plus cos cube x sin square x plus sin cube x into cos square x plus cos power 5x whole square is given. So let me simplify the denominator at first. This can be simplified by taking out common, but if you observe that first two terms and next two terms taken common, we are not getting any suitable factor. So better to be taken common first and third and second and fourth. By taking sin cube x is common from them, we may get that sin square x plus, after sin cube x has taken as common, what is left over? Cos square x plus, from the second and the last term, can we take out cos cube x is common? Yes, obviously. Then sin square x plus cos square x whole square. Now sin square x cos square x dx by sin cube x plus cos cube x is left over, as we know that sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Now to make it into a suitable form, let me divide this one with the cos cube x. Then cos cube x whole square means it is going to be multiplied with in denominator cos power 6x. So sin square x into cos square x by cos power 6x whole by sin by cos, anyhow it is tan x whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 1 whole square dx. Simplify it. Now sin square x by cos power 4 I am writing as cos square x into cos square x. Can we express like that? Yes, by 1 plus tan cube x whole square. Let's simplify. Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x into secant square x dx by tan cube x plus 1 whole square. Let me assume that tan x is some substituent t. So it can be written as secant square x dx is equal to dt. Clearly, t square dt by 1 plus t cube whole square. Now, by writing directly also we can, or by taking another one also, 1 plus t cube equal to some RMA 3t square dt is equal to dr. Or here itself 1 plus tan cube x is equal to t mean you can get it as 3 tan square x secant square x dx is dt. So you can write it as dt by 3 into t square 1 by 3 into t power minus 2 dt. So in what manner you can write 1 by 3 into, apply the integration, minus 1 by 3 t power minus 1 plus. As we know that minus 1 by 3 by 1 by t means what you have assumed, 1 plus tan cube x plus c will be the correct one, and it's very important one. Let's move to the next problem. Now look at the problem. Integration of cos 7x minus cos 8x by 1 plus cos 5x is given. whenever we wanted to solve like this problem, better to use the transformation formula. What is the transformation formula? Is cos c minus cos d can be written as 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2, and moreover 1 plus cos 2 theta can be expressed as 4 cos square theta minus 3 or 3 minus 4 sin square theta. But answer is coming in sin, so better to use the down one. 2 into sin of c plus d by 2, 7x plus 8x, it is 15x by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2 means 8x minus 7x by 2, which is equal to x by 2 whole by 1 plus 2 into, let me express 5x as 2 into 5x by 2. Now 2 sin 15x by 2 into sin x by 2 by, let me use the 3 minus 4 sin square theta or 4 cos square theta. Which is better to use here? We know that. What is the better thing to be used is 3 minus 4 sin square theta. So 3 minus 4 sin square. Here theta means 5x by 2. So 5x by 2. Simply multiply with sin 5x by 2 and divide with sin 5x by 2. Now 2 into sin 15x by 2 into sin x by 2 into sin 5x by 2 whole by 3 sin 5x by 2 minus 4 sin cube 5x by 2. Clearly it is looking like 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, which is the sin 3 theta. Now I can express it as 2 into sin 15x by 2 into sin x by 2 into sin 5x by 2 by 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is nothing but sin 3 theta. They said 3 into theta means 5x by 2, 15x by 2. Getting cancelled, you may get 2 into sin 5x by 2 into x by 2. Now we know that we can express 2 sin A sin B can be cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So what can I write here? 2 into sin x by 2. Let me take it is A and it is B. So completely it is converted cos A minus B. What is A minus B means? X by 2 minus 5x by 2 will be cos of minus 4x by 2 minus cos of, add it, 5x by 2 and x by 2 will become 6x by 2. Let us simplify. But cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos 2x minus cos 3x. Cos 2x means we can write it as its integration is sin 2x by 2 minus sin 3x by 3 plus c. This is the finalized answer. Let us move to the next problem. Now look at the given problem. Integration of cos x minus 1 by sin x plus 1 ex dx is the given. To find out that one, simply I have split the whatever the given one. If you have observed that it is maybe in the form of e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx means obviously we know that its integration is e power x into f of x. So in this I am thinking that it is the f of x. Whether its differentiation is equal to the minus 1 by 1 plus sin x or not, let us see. Clearly it is in the form of u by v. We know that u by v can be expressed as v du minus u dv by v square. So v, here 1 plus sin x into differentiation of numerator cos x can be written as minus sin x minus cos x into differentiation of the denominator 0 plus cos x, because one differentiation of 1 is 0, sin x is cos x. 1 plus sin x whole square minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x whole by 1 plus sin x whole square minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x will become minus 1. 1 plus sin x whole square. Let us take out. Minus is common. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x whole square. Under simplification, minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. So clearly it is f dash of x. I have taken f of x and its differentiation is f dash of x, which is the given one. So it is satisfying the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So clearly we can write e power x into cos x by 1 plus sin x plus c. Let's move to the next problem. Now clearly whenever we are going to find out the integration of like this 0 to 1 minus x dx may, we know how to take them in a parts manner. Let's take it is 0 to 1. 1 minus x, whenever there is a modulus is there, we have to take the region with that is also in a part manner. You know that integration of 1 minus x can be written as x minus x square by 2, 0 and 1 minus x minus x square by 2, 1 to 2. Just simplify this and substitute the lower limit as well as upper limit. You will get the required answer. Let us move to the next problem. Integration of e power x plus 1 by x into 1 plus x minus 1 by x. This is cannot be done like a previous problem in whatever we have taken e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So what I am going to do is e power x plus 1 by x into 1 plus e power x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x dx. In this way we have taken. Now let us use the Eilert formula. uv dx can be written as uv dx minus d by dx of u v dx and dx. This is the given. So let me take that this dx is the second one and it is the first one. So e power x plus 1 by x into dx. Now by using the integration by parts formula, I am taking this is the u and dx as the v. Now applied the Eilert uv formula. So e power x plus 1 by x will be like that only. Integration of dx is x minus differentiation of e power x plus 1 by x can be written as e power x plus 1 by x, and x differentiation is 1 and 1 by x can be written minus 1 by x square into x, plus e power x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x dx is going to be continued. So x into e power x plus 1 by x minus integration of, let's multiply this. You can write e power x plus 1 by x multiply x minus 1 by x plus e power x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x dx. If you observe clearly, is the both are same, one is positive, one is negative, get cancel, then x into e power x plus 1 by x plus c. In this way we can do it. Whatever the problem is, we can solve them in an easier manner, but assuming in what way we will take it, based on that you will get an answer in a quick manner. Let us move to the next problem. Integration of e power x into 2 minus x square by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square is the given one. Simply let me express 2 minus x square as 1 plus 1 minus x square. Let me split it. Integration of e power x into 1 by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square. By simplifying, it may give you root over 1 minus x square. Still simplification if we do on e power x into 1 by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x into 1 plus x by 1 minus x. It may cancel by root over 1 minus x time. So what is there? Let us write. It is e power x into 1 by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. In these two, which is better to assume as the f of x and f dash of x is? Let me assume this is an f of x. This is an f dash of x. Whether it is f dash of x or not, let us verify with the help of root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Let's use the u by v. We know u by v formula is v du minus u dv by v square. Here u means root over 1 plus x, v means root over 1 minus x. So v into 1 minus root over 1 minus x into differentiation of numerator 1 by 2 into root over 1 plus x minus u into, u means what? 1 plus x into 1 by 2 into root over 1 minus x. Minus x means minus 1 whole by root over 1 minus x whole square. Let's simplify. 1 by 2 taken common, root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 by 2 into, do the cross multiplication, 1 minus x plus 1 plus x by root over 1 plus x into 1 minus x into already 1 minus x is presented. Now by simplifying 1 by 2 into 1 minus x plus 1 plus x by root over, already 1 minus x is there which is in the denominator, and these two multiplied means root over 1 minus x square came. Plus 1 plus x and minus x get cancelled. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square. Simply I got the 1 by 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x square. So clearly it is f dash of x. According to our known formula, integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx can be written as e power of x into f of x. What is f of x here? Root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus c. Let's move to the next problem. Now see here, integration of x square minus 1 by x cube into root over 2x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. So here if you observe x square minus 1 is there. Let us simplify. From here onwards, if we take an x power 4 is common, what will happen? Let us see. 2 minus, obviously 2x square will become 2 by x square plus 1 will become 1 by x power 4. X square minus 1 dx by x cube into root over x power 4 will become x cube into x square. So what is left over? Let us write here. X square minus 1 into dx by x power 5 into root over 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. Now simplify x power 5 here onwards, then if we take an x power 5 is taken common from the numerator, it will be 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 5. Now whatever here present here, let me assume that it has some t. 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to, let us assume it as a t. To simplify this one, 2 minus 2 into by x square can be written x power minus 2. X power minus 4 is equal to t. Use the differentiation, 0 minus 2 into minus 2 into x power minus 3 minus 4 into x power minus 5 dx is equal to dt. Minus 4 by x cube. Here if you observe minus into minus, it's a plus. Minus 4 by x power 5 dx is equal to dt. So 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 5 dx is equal to dt by 4. So this total will become dt by 4. So 1 by 4 here, and the root over this total will become root t. Clearly 1 by 4 into dt into t power minus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into t power minus 1 by 2 integration is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So clearly 1 by 2 into root t. 1 by 2 into root over. What is the t means here? 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. Simplify this. x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 by x power 4. Still simplification we have to do means 1 by 2 into root over 2x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 by 2x square plus c will be the integration for this one. Let us move to the next one. They are asking you to find out the integration of x dx by root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 plus x square whole cube. Let me assume that 1 plus x square is some t. Obviously 2x dx is equal to dt. Then x dx can be written as dt by 2. 1 by 2 into dt by root over t plus this will become root over t cube. 1 by 2 into dt by root over t plus t root t. Still, for further simplification, let me assume this as a root t is common, mean 1 plus this t I taken common, root t is left over. That is dt by root over t into 1 plus root t. Let us assume that 1 plus root t is some r square. Then differentiation of 1 plus root t can be written as 1 means 0 and root t differentiation is 1 by 2 root t dt is equal to 2r dr. So 1 by root t dt is equal to 4r dr. Now 1 by 2 into 4r dr by, you can write it as root r square. Root r square and r cancel. 4 by 2 and 2 get cancelled here. 2 into integration of dr means r plus c will be get. What is here r mean? We know that root over 1 plus root t. The 2r we will get. So root 2 into root over 1 plus, what is t means 1 plus x square. Then the simplified result is 2 into root over 1 plus root over 1 plus x square plus c will be the required result. Let us move to the next problem. Now look at the problem. X power 8 minus 9x square by 8 by x power 4 minus 3x square plus dx integration we are needed. If you observe that it is x power 8 and here it is x power 4. No intermediate terms are missing here. So what we are going to do is, let us express the numerator only in this form. In what way? See here, x power 8 minus 9x square plus 18, let me express as 9 plus 9. So x power 8. Let me add 6x power 4 and subtract 6x power 4. Let me write the rest of the term as it is. There is no special meaning to add 6x power 4 minus 6x power 4. I am thinking 9 is the 3 square mean. I am trying to express this as a perfect square. So 2 into 3 into x power 4. Here 6x power 4 is got. That going to be added and subtracted. Now x power 8 plus 6x power 4 plus 9 minus 6x power 4 minus 9x square plus 9 is left over. If you observe that how it is looking like, it is looking like a plus b whole square. In what manner? X power 4 whole square plus 2 into x power 4 into 3 plus 3 square power 4 minus 9x square plus 9. X power 4 plus 3 whole square minus, to make it into a perfect square, let me add 3 power x power 4 and Subtract the 3 into x power 4 minus 6x power 4 minus 9x square plus 9. Now x power 4 plus 3 whole square minus 9x power 4 plus 3x power 4 minus x power 4 plus 3 whole square minus 3x square whole square plus take out 3 common x power 4 minus 3x square plus 3. So it is looking like a square minus b square. So x power 4 plus 3 plus 3x square into a minus b. X power 4 plus 3 minus 3x square plus 3 into already what is there, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 3 is there. If you observe clearly, is it getting common? Yes, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 3 is getting common. It into what is left over? This term is left over, x power 4 plus 3x square plus 3, already 3 is there. So x power 4 minus 3x square plus 3 into x power 4 plus 3x square plus 6 will be the required answer. I have simplified the numerator. X power 4 minus 3x square plus 3 into x power 4 plus 3x square plus 6 into by x power 4 minus 3x square plus 3. Getting cancelled, we got x power 4 plus 3x square plus 6 dx is left over. Apply the integration now. X power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5 plus 3x cube by 3 plus 6x plus c. After simplification, x power 5 by 5 plus x cube plus 6x plus c will be the required simplified answer. The problem is very simple. If we understand that in what way we will express the numerator as a completing square, we will get the required one. Let us move to the next problem. Now let's discuss the next integration. Integration of 1 plus cos x by x plus sin x whole square. These kind of problems are very simple problem. Let me assume that x plus sin x is some t. Then 1 plus sin x is x differentiation is 1 and sin x differentiation is cos x dx, which is equal to dt. Clearly we got the numerator, so what I can write? dt by t square. You know that integration of dt by t square means it is t power minus 2 dt. So t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Minus 1 by t plus c, where minus 1 by t means what we have assumed, x plus sin x plus c. We got the required one. Now look at the integration of sin x by sin x minus cos x. In the beginning of this video, we have discussed that in what manner we can find out this one. For that we have written that a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x dx. It was, we have done as bc minus ad by c square plus d square into log of denominator. Nothing but denominator means here c sin x plus d cos x plus ac plus bd by c square plus d square into x plus c. Have we done like that only? Yes. But now the problem is also in that way. Let us write sin x plus, but b cos x term is missing, so we have to write it as 0 cos x by sin x plus minus 1 into cos x. Now I got a value is 1, b value is 0, c value is 1 and d value is minus 1. Now BC minus AD, BC minus AD, 0 into C, 0 minus A into D, minus into minus plus. So you have to write it as 1 by C square plus D square, C square plus D square, 1 square plus minus 1 square, 2 into log of denominator. Can you say what is the denominator here? Sin x minus cos x plus AC plus BD, AC 1 into 1 plus BD 0 into minus 1 by already 2. So 1 by 2 into x plus C. Hence we got the required integration. Let us move to the next problem. One more interesting and very easiest problem we are discussing. See here, integration of 2 power x dx by root over 1 minus, can we express 4 by x is 2 power x whole square? Obviously. Now let us assume that 2 power x is some t. So you can write it as 2 power x log 2 dx is equal to dt. So 2 power x dx is equal to dt by log 2. Clearly it can be written as dt by log 2 into root over 1 minus t square. 1 by log 2 into root over dt by root over 1 minus t square is otherwise called sin inverse t plus c, that too 1 by log 2. What is the k value they are asking? The answer is 1 by log 2 is the k value. Let us move to the next problem. Now look at this kind of problem. Very simple. In what way? Just by expressing the numerator as into the desirable form. So x minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 dx by sin of x minus pi by 4. Now simplify the numerator. Let me assume it is sin of a plus b. You know that sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin of x minus pi by 4 into cos pi by 4 plus cos of x minus pi by 4 into sin pi by 4. Sin of x minus pi by 4 dx. Now root 2 into, under simplification, sin of x minus pi by 4 into cos pi by 4 by sin of x minus pi by 4 dx plus cos of x minus pi by 4 into sin pi by 4. Already root 2 is there, so I am going to multiply that again. Sin of x minus pi by 4 dx. Getting cancelled. Root 2 into cos pi by 4 can be written 1 by root 2 dx plus root 2 into sin of pi by 4 is there, so that is 1 by root 2. Cos of x minus pi by 4 by sin of x minus pi by 4 dx. So x plus, it is anyhow in the form of cos x by sin x, which is the integration of log of sin x. What is that log of sin x? Means x plus log of sin of x minus pi by 4 plus c will be the required one. Very important problem. Let us move to the next problem. Now look at the integration of 2x square minus 1 plus x square into root over x square plus 4 by root over x square plus 4. Just I am not doing anything. I am splitting it as 3 terms. 2x square into 2x square by x square into x square plus 4 is 1. Dx, integration of dx by nothing but 1. So I am writing 1 here. X square into x square plus 4 plus integration of x square into root over x square plus 4 by x square into root of x square into x square plus 4. Simplify. The first term can be expressed as 2 into integration of dx by x square plus 4 minus, it is in the form of 2 factors. By finding the partial fraction means it take much time. So what is the difference between these two terms? Just observe. Here 0 and here 4. So x square plus 0 and x square plus 4. So they are differ by what? They differ by the 4. So let me multiply with 1 by 4 and 4 dx. Can we write like that? Yes, we can. X square into x square plus 4. Plus under simplification, I got here dx by root over x square plus 4. 2 into, it is looking like the dx by x square plus a square. So let me express that x square plus 4 as x square plus 4 as 2 square. 4 as 2 square minus 1 by 4 into, let me add x square and subtract the x square into x square plus 4 plus, it is directly looking like the integration of root over x square plus a square. So x square plus a square means 2 square. So dx by x square plus a square means 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So 2 into 1 by 2 into tan inverse x by a. X means x only, a means 2. Minus 1 by 4 into x square plus 4, integration of x square plus 4 into x square plus 4, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 into x square by x square plus 4 plus, it is looking like sin h inverse x by a. So sin h inverse x by a. A means here 2. Tan h inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 4 into, after getting cancelled, dx by x square plus 1 by 4 into dx by x square plus 4 plus sin h inverse x by 2. Tan inverse x by 2. Tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by x, after finding the integration of 1 by x square, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into tan inverse x by 2 plus sin h inverse x by 2. Let's simplify. 1 tan x by 1 tan inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 8 tan inverse x by 2 will be 9 by 8 tan inverse x by 2 plus x by 4 by multiplying plus sin h inverse x by 2 plus c. This is the required answer. Very important model. In this video we have covered the top 20 expected MCET problems for the year Desh and Telangana 20. For more educational video, especially in MPC, please share, subscribe, like my channel, SAC E-Classes, a specialist learning center for everyone. Thank you for watching.